Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a quick update, and I'm sure you can see in the horizon, on the distance there, it looks familiar. It looks familiar, but guess what? It's not Lady Rose. It is another boat called Explorer, but it got the same lines, same look. It's a feed ship, and it's a beautiful boat. We saw it coming in yesterday when we were on Nakpan Beach on the other side, and then I thought it looked familiar, but I wasn't expecting this to be anchored off right here. Actually, I'm on holiday, guys, with my family, and then I'm in the Philippines. I'm taking my family here in the northern part of Palawan to have a look. But yeah, we're doing an island tour with all other people on the pump boat. The boat is just over there on the beach, and then this is our first stop. We're not far from El Nido town, which you can see. I'm sure you can see it. So this is our first stop. Anyway, this is just a quick update, guys, because you might be wondering why I haven't posted the video for a while. So I'm on my annual holiday, so I got 3 weeks to go, and then in the next few weeks I'm gonna try maximize my holiday, because I've been working on my place since I arrived here in the Philippines. But this time I'm just gonna chill on the next 3 weeks until I go back to work. It's a beautiful place here. I wish Lady Rose will come here and have a look at the Philippines. This is the northern part of Palawan. It's so beautiful up here. Rocky outcrops, lots of islands, beaches, hidden beaches, lagoons, and it's an amazing place. This is my second time with my wife, and this time I took my daughter and my niece, Crisanta. She's single, and if you're ever wanted Filipina. Anyway guys, I'll stop the video here, and because I think we're gonna go back to our boat soon. So bye for now, and I'll see you soon in the shipyard.